Hi guys, welcome back. It's Ash from Out and About with Ash. I do short walks in interesting places, and today I'm in Torremolinos. Now, obviously I'm in a hotel room, and this is going to be a room review, but it's a room review of a difference because it's not our first room. We're in the same hotel, MS Aguamarina in Torremolinos. Nice 4-star hotel. We did have a junior suite, but we had an issue. We had a perfectly all right room, apart from one thing really. One thing was missing. So we got a room upgrade. We got a free upgrade on our room, and this is the new room. So let's just have a look. Let's just show you what we've got. And if you've seen the previous room review, you can compare it, but we'll go through the differences. But yeah, bathroom, walk-in shower, loo, everything's like okay in there. And come through. Big king-size bed. Wardrobe space. There's gonna be a safe in here, I'm sure. Oh, I don't know. Oh, I don't know. Maybe it's the other side. Let's have a look. There we go, safe in there. Big desk, TV, phone, nice little leather sofa, and seating, tea and coffee up here. And then this is the reason. So if you'd seen the other room review, we were basically no balcony. Well, I say basically no balcony. There was no balcony. There was just a tiny window and hardly any light coming into the room. So yeah, but we had a junior suite. And we had a big bath in the last one. We had a big circular Roman kind of style bath, but we had no balcony. So we went swimming. We had wet swim stuff. We hung it up in the bathroom, but it was still a bit damp. What happened was I booked the room, and on booking.com, it was £415, and there was lots of different options. It was £100 extra to have a sea view, and it was, I think, roughly £50 extra to have a pool view, and to have no